All right, it's that time again. Time for another low-carb cocktail. I'm Frank, the low-carb cocktail guy. Now, I've been wanting to do this video for quite some time now, almost as long as I've been around on YouTube, which has been, pushing 4 years now. Now, I've done a lot of cocktails before during the spring and things like that that were blue. And people ask, how did I make it blue? And I mentioned blue Curacao. They're like, how do you get blue Curacao low carb? Simple. You need 2 ingredients. Blue food coloring and a 0 carb triple sec. So before you get started, make sure you check out that video, how to make a 0 carb orange liqueur. And after you make that, bottle it and get some blue food dye. And that's kind of all we're gonna do. So now once you have your sugar-free orange liqueur made, jarred, mason jar, whatever you decide to put it in, pop it open, get your blue food coloring. You start with 3 drops. Now, depending on how much orange color your orange liqueur picked up from the skins and how much, or I should say how deep the blue dye is, it's gonna make a little bit of a difference. I've done it as little as 3, I've done as much as 6. So just kind of shake that up and hold it up to a light. See, this is still a little green. So I'm gonna put another 2 drops. So that was 3. So I'm gonna put in 4, 5 drops of blue food coloring. Cap that up, give it a good shake. Now I'm getting more blue, it's a little more teal. I'm not sure if you can see with the lights over there with you, but let's do 1 more drop. So this is gonna be 6 drops. And this, I'm saying, your mileage may vary depending on like I said, how orange your orange liqueur is and how deep of a blue your dye is. So I'm almost okay with that. It's a little more blue than teal, but I'm gonna do 1 more. And this is all it is. You just kind of play with it until you get it right. And like I said, start with 3, then play from there. 1 drop at a time, kind of seeing where you want it to go. And there you go, that's the blue I want right there. So, DIY blue Curacao, that's simple. So all you need is a DIY sugar-free orange liqueur. Make sure you use my recipe. It's gonna be delicious. And blue food coloring, that's it. So guys, that's it. So now what you're gonna see is I'll have some blue cocktails coming out soon using our blue Curacao. That's all blue Curacao is. It's an orange liqueur or a triple sec, whatever. Orange flavored liqueur with blue dye. That's it. So I think one of my wife's favorites with this is a purple margarita. So that might be my next video, might be a purple margarita. I'll show you how to get that one done. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good day. Because I'm making something with this and I'm gonna have a good day too. And see y'all later. 2 things, that's it.